ये आधा अधूरा फेयरिंग मुझे नहीं चलेगा.
हो गया.
I'm trying to be honest because I don't want you to say things just for camera.
I think my NS is much better.
Does this bike really need a sixth gear?
Bike 2 with girl.
Bike 2 with girl. Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. पहले तो थैंक यू सो मच यार, आपके व्यूज़ जो पल्सर वॉक अराउंड पे मुझे मिले, आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. ऑल्सो द सब्सक्राइबर्स दैट हैव कम फ्रॉम दैट वीडियो ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. पर यार तुम लोग क्या झगड़े करते हो कि आई एम लाइक what's going on, and that's why to stop this jhagda I have got my hands on both the new Pulsars, the 250s, the F and the N. Instead of going down the review route, I am going to go down the FAQ route because enough and more reviews are there online, तो आप वो देख सकते हो. इसमें मैं आंसर करने वाली हूँ सारे questions जो आप लोगों ने मुझे comments में पूछे थे. And joining me is Sheldon today, who's going to be riding the N sometimes and the F, who is my producer and is also a fellow Pulsar owner. Expecting a lot from this bike?
I don't think so. There's barely anything on this. I think my NS is much better. Let's see.
I'm hoping I prove him wrong with this ride. So let's. Why is everyone fighting about the new Pulsars? Because there's no 6-speed gearbox. But I have a very valid question here. Does this bike really need a 6th gear? Check this out. यार honestly मुझे ये नहीं समझता कि लोग सिर्फ ऑनलाइन फोटोज और वीडियोस और बाइक को सिर्फ स्टैटिक पोजेस में देख के ये कैसे मान लेते हैं कि द न्यू पल्सर्स आर शिट. एंड honestly, after so many negative comments about the new bikes, I had second thoughts too. But then today, I wrote these two. The new 250s are awesome. The first few things I have to say about it: agile, smooth, actually smooth. Do not vibrate like their earlier siblings. And they're fast as f***. They really are. But I'm not a Pulsar owner. So I'm going to invite two Pulsar owners who are part of my team. So reintroduction of Sheldon. Sheldon is my producer here at Bike with Girl. Sheldon is also the owner of an NS. So Sheldon, in the morning you were really pissed when you got on the bike and you didn't have you had zero expectations from it. And then I kind of saw you smiling inside your head. So I really want to know what you genuinely feel. 1 second. Here's the mic talk.
So honestly, I was quite stunned the way the bike was really riding. It just feels like a Japanese bike, the way it rides. In fact, the way it starts also is very different. You don't have the very long cranking sound.
So tell me, what do you think of its riding capabilities?
So normally on the Pulsars, you normally have to downshift a lot when you're on speed breakers and stuff, and they can't really pick up on the higher gears. But today on potholes and stuff, and even on speed breakers, I was on the 3rd gear at I think around 20-25, and I could still pick it up at that same pace. The clutch feels very much different. I'm glad they've come with the slip and assist clutch now.
You are actually smiling, and that's good to see because he was at the launch with me and he was pissed off with the fact that the bike didn't have enough. And the second guy I'm going to invite into the same is Saket, who's behind the camera right now. Saket is our DOP, and Saket is also a Pulsar owner. Please tell us what you own, and you also had a little short stint with the bike today. I want to know your thoughts on it.
So actually I had Pulsar RS 200. So I was like, I wanted a bike which is good in street, which is good on highways for cruising, for speed. So at that time I think that RS was affordable in 200 range.
Right.
So
absolutely.
According to me, like, this bike is so smooth, so versatile. Like,
Are you shocked by it? In any
yeah, I'm totally shocked. कि I don't think so कौन से भी बजाज में इतना कम वाइब्रेशन है आज तक. I think this is pretty good.
Yeah.
I think I can also agree with him is because I remember the rattling of the chain, your vibration, the sound of the the plastic tank.
closer
Yeah.
it's too soft.
The plastic tank cover on the bike that would vibrate on higher revs.
Right.
You could literally feel your handlebar shaking because of the vibration. All these stuff, I am quite stunned that it doesn't have it anymore.
Yeah, no,
I know
like, it's shifting. It's like
Yeah,
cat,
correct.
cat. It's
So-
not there. It's not there. It's now there. It's not there now.
Now that you're an owner, would you, if you got a chance to change to this, would you?
Yeah, I would.
You would.
Yeah.
You would. And what about you?
if you ask me, like I think it's a very difficult thing for me right now, but I would still stick to the NSS because that's a much more I have a thing for that bike
Yeah.
basically.
So
So
first bike is,
so for
you know,
me it's something special.
This is a brand new engine that the 250s come with. This is not a detuned engine from the Dominar or a borrowed engine from the KTM or the Huskies. This is a brand new engine and it feels like one. Also was a pleasure shifting gears because of the new gearbox. Of course, the slip and assist clutch. It's just made the whole pattern and this whole scenario of riding this motorcycle so much more fun. And what does it sound like? कितना देती है well we haven't really been able to go out and do a mileage test on this and stuff, but Bajaj claims that on the highway you should be able to get 39 and city में आप कर सकते हो 35 36 तो आपको मिल ही जाएगा. अब जब मैं बाइक थोड़े दिनों के लिए लूँगी तो आपको मैं माइलेज टेस्टिंग करके बताऊँगी. मैडम आपकी क्या हाइट है, क्या ये बाइक ज़्यादा टॉल है, क्या मैं चला पाऊँगा, क्या मैं चला पाऊँगी. This is a question I get in every video. My height is 5'5" and a half, so I'm almost 5'6", and this is a beautiful flat footer of a motorcycle. Cornering abilities. I'm just gonna put a few like shots of me cornering. How would I have felt about riding this bike? I only had 4 laps on the track. I was also told by my previous colleagues कि भाई ज़्यादा नीचे मत जाओ, knee down तो don't even attempt because you're going to be scraping the pegs and that's not going to be fun. I had a blast cornering this thing. It is very flickable. You can throw it into corners and you can do all the, you know, घाट पे जो आपको करना है, all that which I see you guys do. Otherwise, वो सब हो सकता है very nicely because it's light. Now coming to the suspension.
250 now gets a monoshock. Earlier the 220s always had the double nitrox suspension which was gas charged.
We took this out off-road properly, nicely into like gravel and stuff and had a blast on it, and the kind of khaddas that we got on the road today, matlab ye aap dekho, I don't even have to say it, but basically the suspension fared damn well and yeah. The brakes have been upgraded, by the way. In the earlier Pulsar you got 280mm ke brakes, abhi that has been upgraded to 300mm, so bigger brakes and definitely more efficient. Which one's better in my opinion? See, मैं तो बता रही हूँ, मुझे तो N से प्यार है भाई, because the N250 has a really mean face. It's got a very badass look to it. It's a naked. I'm a bigger fan of faired bikes, but if you're giving me a fairing, तो भाई ठीक से दो. ये आधा अधूरा फेयरिंग मुझे नहीं चलेगा. मुझे पूरा अच्छा मतलब फीलिंग आनी चाहिए कि यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी. आपने फिर सिर्फ फ्रंट में दे दिया चेहरा और ये छोटा छोटा नहीं चलता मेरे को. I will then go with the N and I prefer the look of the N, to be honest with you. What do you guys like? What do you prefer? Tell me in comments. Here's what you get with the new 250s. You get new headlamps, you get new tail lamps. I love the tail lamps. You get a new instrument cluster, a gear indicator, the clock, a fuel efficiency gauge, you get a range indicator. You also get a new exhaust. You get a little charging socket. You get a single channel ABS. You've got the new split seat. You've got the 14-liter fuel tank. Now coming to the tires, the rear now gets a 130 section. I hope that I have answered most of your questions that have been making you guys like get so hot-tempered and pissed off with Bajaj about the new 250s. I genuinely enjoy these motorcycles. If you still believe that these bikes are no good, I would say just at least ride the bike for once. Take a test ride. YouTube तुला आवडते का? हो? तर तू मला सबस्क्राईब करणार? माझा चॅनलचं नाव काय आहे?
Bike to with girl.
बाईक टू विथ गर्ल नाही, बाईक विथ गर्ल.
Bike with girl.
सांग.
Bike with girl.
चल आता 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 मराठीमध्ये त्यांना सांग की तुम्ही जाके तुम्ही जाऊन सबस्क्राईब करा
तुम्ही जाऊन सबस्क्राईब करा.
आणि तुम्ही लाईक तर करा
लाईक तर करा.
आणि तुम्ही कमेंट पर करा
कमेंट पण करा.
आणि तुम्ही काय सांगणार?
शेअर करा.
वा!